Hi, it's Barbara Cassidy, and I'm getting ready to prepare broccoli for our dinner, and I wanted to share this. I don't know if you've ever ran an experiment like this or not. I have 2 glass bowls because I'm going to want you to see what's in it, and I will be speeding up the video shortly so that you don't stand here and just watch me swish for 5 minutes, because I like to. Actually, I'll let them soak about 10 minutes sometimes because I'll do it in stages with all the other food that I'm preparing. But into this bowl right here, I am going to add a splash of Thieves Veggie Cleaner, which once you see the results of this, yeah, splash of that on this one here. So that's this side right here. On this side, I'm going to put vinegar. This is a very common thing people also use to clean their vegetables with. And please be cleaning your vegetables before you put them in your mouth. Please, okay? Even organic needs to be washed. All right, so now I'm gonna take the broccoli. This has always been a really good example, and I'm just gonna swish it. And this is where I'm going to speed up the video for you so that you don't sit here and watch me for 5 minutes. Are you ready? Yeah. All right, so I'll show you. This is the one that was in the vinegar right here. This is the vinegar side. And I'm probably going to turn my island lights on here so that you can really see it better. But this is what it looks like, and I'll show you the water here in a minute. This is vinegar. This is the Thieves Household Cleaner. All right. There's a huge difference. So let me keep, sorry. Okay, so this is Thieves Household Cleaner. This hasn't been rinsed yet. And this is the vinegar. I want you to see the difference. Which one would you rather eat? Huh? I call this one is the one that I want to put in my mouth. Next, I'll show you what it looks like when I clean my blueberry, raspberries, and blackberries. But before then, I want you to see, there's the water. This is the Thieves Household Cleaner water. See it? This is the vinegar water right here. And here is the difference. The water also tells the story. I'll come back and show you what it looks like when I do my fruit. Blessings, may you have wellness, purpose, and abundance.